Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you my non-minimalist guest room tour. I'm going to be out of breath and I'm going to be sweaty because we don't have the vent open because nobody's staying with us right now and it's very warm out today. So bear with me and I apologize ahead of time. Here you go. Come on in. So the first thing you see when you walk in the door is the bed. It's a queen size bed. It's a very squishy bed. Is the bed Jim and I first purchased when we first moved to Rolla. We lost our bed in the flood, so we have bought this one and we love it. Just tell you a little background real quick is that that's the wall that is shared with the dining room, and it is a fake wall. It is actually suspended over the carpet and everything. So there's no electricity coming to it. So what we do is we have these two chandeliers we got from IKEA a long time ago. They don't sell them anymore, I'm sorry to say. Oh, look, that one's missing. Oh, no, it just got knocked out. Knocked out. Sometimes they get hit by the guests. Okay. They are beautiful. They were only $17.99 each, which is why I snatched them up. $5 for the light kit at the time. Sorry for that lighting. But we have them both plugged in to the surge protector, which is controlled by this switch so that the guests can be laying in bed and turn the light switch on and off, which is great. We have nightstands on both sides with flower arrangements. These just so happen to be purple flowers that were left over from doing wedding projects, and then these irises I bought at Michael's on clearance one year. But since this room is decorated purple, I'm going to sit on the bed. Since this room is decorated purple, we had these, I'm out of breath already, and I've got the fan on. We had these vases on my dresser. I had them even before I got married. And there's two of them, so there's one on each bedside. And then we've done is every time I get purple flowers, I stick them in there. If I want to do a project that requires purple flowers, I just come in the guest room and get them. So that we have flower arrangements on both sides of the bed. And both nightstands are very similar in their contents or what they have on top. The only thing different is over here we have all of our like aromatherapy Bath and Body Works that I had. I leave them here for my guests, sort of like the fancy guest soap. These are cute little angels that Lisa gave me for Christmas this year. Aren't they pretty? They're like mercury glass and they're so pretty. There's one on each bedside table. And these are angels that she gave me 2 Christmases ago, I believe. Here is, I have lots of extra reading glasses that I leave around for my guests. It started off with my Aunt Mary. Hi, Aunt Mary, if you're watching this. She used to come and stay with me when we lived in New York and would often forget her glasses at my sister's, and then her strength was stronger than mine. So I figured, you know what, they're only $1 a pair. Why don't I go ahead and get a bunch of different strengths and we'll just leave them in the guest room. And that's what we've been doing. I have these cute little violet dishes that I got at a thrift store, and these little candle holders on top. This room has no windows, and it is on the south-facing wall of our house. So it is also our tornado emergency place where we come. So we keep all of the extra candles and batteries down here, flashlights, and my hurricane lamp, my Brooklyn hurricane lamp from Bobby. We keep the drawers empty in case guests want to stay with their stuff unpacked. On this side is the remote control, and Mom made a channel guide. And then on this side is candles and matches and stuff for emergencies. And every guest next to every bedside gets a garbage can. And then we have a fan on this side and not a fan on that side. I'll show you the nightstands real quick. On this nightstand, it's almost the exact same stuff, except there's a clock here, and the Q-tips and cotton swabs are here. And then underneath, we have, in case anybody left any stuff at home, like emergency toiletries, and then a candle on that side. Their garbage can, which I have to empty. And same flowers. These pictures I got from Home Interiors. They're upset, but they're not exactly. Those are amaryllis and these are irises, and I just love them in here. The linens are from Through the Country Door. The sheets are my favorite sheets in the entire world, and if Ginny still sold them, I would have them in king size for my bed. They are like super soft cotton. I bleached them. They're fantastic. I've had them forever, and they wear so well. On the end of the bed, I have a matelassé and just like a little pink throw. But you guys know at the end of your bed, you fold your blanket in thirds. So if somebody needs an extra blanket, they just have to grab the top and pull it, and it opens. I don't know if you guys know that, and I just messed it up, but that's all right. It takes 2 seconds to fix. Come with me while I fix it. Okay. So from this side of the bed, this is where the TV is. This TV stand we got from Country Door while we moved here, because the one that we had in the guest room in New York got destroyed, which is fine. They have a cable box and a TV, and I put that cute little box there, and it's just as a joke. Nobody leaves me money. On here is some family pictures. It's a picture of my mom when she was a little girl, a baby. There's a picture of me and my brothers and sisters when we were little. Actually, that's me as a baby. And this is one of my favorite signs. Friends welcome, relatives by appointment, and that's a joke. So let me sit on this side of the bed, and I'll show you the decor on the wall. So this shelf with angels on it, I got for me and my sisters, and there's 4 girls in my family, so I feel like an angel represented each one of us. I got it on this cute little shelf that was gold when I got it, gold plastic, but I spray painted it ivory. These cute little mirrors. I hung on ribbons just to add more color. This is part of the teacup collection that I actually kept, and that's just a cute little like a necklace that I got at a thrift store that I just have hanging there. And then just some art. This was art that I made. That was a cut up calendar that I really liked one year, and I put in that picture frame. And then just cute little, these are actually hooks. They were ivory, silver, and brass when I got them, and I painted them all ivory. Little Irish blessing. And a mirrored tin mirror. That is Aunt Sue and Mom in the sisterly love picture. And if you took off Aunt Sue's pictures with pictures of my sisters, I like to do the same with these, and I have different pictures in here. I like to change them out for the guest. So under these are pictures of my Aunt Mary and my cousin. So when Aunt Mary was coming to visit with me in New York, the room would be like for her. But Aunt Sue has been here last, so that's why that's up for Aunt Sue. And I have this mirrored thing I got at Michael's ages ago. This was, let me take it off so I can see. I hope I can get it off. It had, you see this white space going across? It had 2 hooks. And it was supposed to be, oh, no, I'm not going to get it back on, right? That figures. Oh, because it's, oh, key hooks. Jim's going to yell. Oh, look. Huh? Got it. But I just loved it as a piece of art. I got that at Michael's. I think Joann's and Michael's. This clock was from Country Door. This cute little shelf was from Collections ETC. It was brown, and I painted it ivory. We have on here some fragrance if, you know, Mom smokes, and not everybody likes that. So we have a wax melt burner here that I got from my cousin Janet. Hi, Janet, if you're watching. Just cute little Dollar Tree art. Candle from and candle cover from Home Interiors. That's a cucumber melon candle. And then this 4 mirror set I got from Country Door as well. This shelf I got from Home Interiors with this mirror. They are already ivory. This angel I got from Lisa. Angel wings. I gave her a pair, and I have a pair. I got these. I got this. I feel like I got that at the Dollar Tree. And then there's this little brass heart. That was a Christmas ornament. Just have this little lace, antique lace collar, actually, and I just have it laying across. And that was her inspiration. She used to have a shelf like this in her house when I first met her with a piece of her mom's blanket that she crocheted. So if you have been here since the summer, we took pieces of her mom's crochet blanket to make barefoot sandals for Eden. And that's where I got the inspiration from. This is extra linens, a trunk, extra blankets. Some of my guests come very cold, and some come mixed. Like the husband will be sweating, the wife will be freezing, so we have lots of extra blankets and sheets, God forbid. I leave them a laundry hamper. There's the last guests we had left their robe. I bought this for Aunt Sue to keep at my house. But on the back of the door is this coat hook. I believe I got it from TJ Maxx or Marshall's or Home Goods, like one of those places. I made this from dollar store products, except the ribbon I had from ages and thousands and millions of years ago. That's the little blessed thing that came out at Easter, but it was purple, so I left it in here. I showed you guys this when I was redoing my fabric storage. We haven't moved the furniture yet, so that's still there. And Mom's roll top desk. I asked if we could put it in here. I just always had, ever since Monica wanted a guest room with roll top desk, I wanted a guest room with roll top desk. That's not really the reason. She did inspire me to bring it in here because we were going to do the craft room and trying to figure out where we're going to place everything. So that's what we ended up doing. My craft table used to be here, and I never actually was able to use it in here because the light is terrible. And then we have some books and family portraits. This is my family. That's my brothers and sisters and my nan and my aunt and uncle and my brothers and sisters and my whole family right there. That's my whole family right there. My cousin Kathy's wedding. I feel like it's the only picture we ever have all of us, like all 8 of us in the same picture. So, my Harry Potter bookends and little thing that I got when I had money. And the last thing is this armoire. This armoire was in this room when we first bought the house, which was great because there's no closet in here. So, I know it looks like a mess, right? So let me sit back so that you can see everything from top to bottom. I don't know where, it looks like an IKEA armoire. I've never seen it in IKEA, but like, I don't really know where they got it because it was here. But down below, so we keep our comforter, and then that blanket. You know, I worked with individuals with developmental disabilities, and when we got married, one of the parents made that for me, Mrs. Stacer. It's very valued and treasured to my heart. Up here is the guest towels, except when my sister Jeri came and stayed with me, one of them got like, well, it was right after she stayed with me. One of them I got like shredded in the wash. I have no idea how it happened. It was the strangest thing. Fancy pocketbook, my friend. Actually, that's the Joy Mangano pocketbook. I have some fancy pocketbooks there that my friends have given me, but they're too fancy for me, so I just wear them special occasions. And then there's some like the box for my camera, box for my phones, like that kind of stuff. Those are some Dollar Tree baskets that if we ever need for organizing or whatever. They used to be here, down here, but now we just keep them there. And then that's where I keep my extra bags, overnight bags, tote bags. This is a garment bag, my extra pocketbooks and stuff. Then we have these hangers on this side of the closet. It's really what's for the guests. Is these lavender hangers were Mom's. They're huggable hangers. She didn't like the color anymore, so I was like, perfect. They go in the guest room. And so that is that. So I just have some things. A glass bottle that I got from Country Door. It's purple, and I thought it would look really cute in here. That piece of architectural thing I got from Michael's on clearance. It was broken in the back, but you can't see the back anyway. Little couch, jewelry thing, and just some handmade stuff that is there. So, a couple of things about my guest room is not only do I have, in case the guests forget stuff, you guys know I bought this and I said I was going to put it in my guest room. Well, I bought those dollar store slippers. And they're in there. This is where Jimmy does his filming. And what's really great is we keep this tray. And it's the prayer jar, faith candle, and this little cross candle. And then this, when company comes, we fill it up with water. This tray I painted. I taught it at a class, but I really can't teach you guys how to do that, unfortunately, in 15 minutes. When we had the guest room first set up at 481, Lisa... That's Lisa's handwriting. I left this book in case anybody wanted to have pad to write on or whatever. And she started a guest book. Aw, 2011. Also have lots of stationery and notepads and more glasses and pens and stuff for guests if they would like to write a note or letter or any of that stuff. But what we do is if we want to put it away, the roll top still works great, and it's closed off, and you don't have to see it anymore. Yeah, there's no chair. There's no chair. Why is there no chair, Jerry? Oh, because Jimmy has it outside. Yeah. Oh boy, it is warm. There's gold and silver accents in this room, and I think they work together great. And now look, how sweaty. Woo. Can't wait to get out of here. As much as I love this room, I can't wait to get out of here. So this is my guest room. Don't feel shy about being a guest. Oh, I never showed you the headboard. This is a padded headboard. I've made padded headboards in the past, but I found this one on clearance at Country Door for $35, and I said, I cannot buy the materials for $35. You guys know I'm like that. I'll make it if I can afford to. If it's cheaper for me to buy it, I buy it. But I'm going to do the extra out of this room because it's really hot. So that's my guest room. Thank you for coming along. I hope you really enjoyed this tour. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Anybody you know would be interested in any of the tips or tricks on how to set up a guest room the way we do. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe. When you do, a little bell will pop up. When you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever we upload a new video. And as always, take care. God bless. See you next time. Bye. So if I could tell you about these bowls for a second. And Sue belongs to a charitable organization in St. Louis called the Webster Rock Hill Ministries. And they basically are a food pantry plus for people, families who are on hard times that live in the area. And one of the fundraisers they do every year is called Empty Bowls. And what they do is they get donations of different kinds of soup from all different restaurants in the area. And then the high school ceramics class, different ceramics studios, pottery studios in the area all make these bowls. What you do is for your donation, you get to pick a handmade bowl and then have some soup and bread and salad. Or, there's no salad. Soup and bread of your choice. And it is just such a wonderful giving organization. But it makes me really proud to have these two bowls that were handmade by somebody for that very reason. Sweaty. Hi everybody. There we go. I think that's home interiors. Oop, knock that over. Wow, don't knock that over, that's oil. Sorry, I figured you guys would ask, so. Oop, can't see, can't see. Okay, can't see. I'm blind. Oh, and it's upside down. You guys love me, right? Anyway, I think it's home interiors. That little, with the flowers, right? I think. I'll find out and I'll let you guys know. But that's a cucumber melon.